Hello. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a day trader, long-term investor, and financial services provider. I've done very well for myself in equity markets and want to help others do the same. I have and still do offer more in-depth paid services for traders, but I've made enough money in the markets and do so much work on a daily basis that I want everyone to be able to benefit from my hard work for free. So for the past few months, I've been working on an app that I believe is a must-have for any investor, no matter what your investing style or experience. Every morning, I send out a pre-market newsletter to members including futures and overseas markets, commodities, stocks with news, mergers and acquisitions, equity issues and IPOs, dividend changes, earnings, stocks gapping up, and upgrades and downgrades. You can read all of this as well as past newsletters under the news section. Then I have equity screener databases of nearly 1,000 stocks and ETFs broken down by region and sector, including all of the key metrics: price, 52-week high, 52-week low, percentage from high, percentage from low, beta, market capitalization, earnings per share, price earnings ratio, dividend, yield, and payout ratio. Then there is a sample portfolio allocation calculator that will show and update portfolio breakdown by region and then within each region by sector, while also doing the same with an income breakdown by region and sector for fixed income and dividends. Members have their own version to take a look at their overall portfolio asset and income allocation, which updates automatically after you enter the initial quantities held. A list of popular Canadian, US, and European stocks with dividends and ex-dividend dates, as well as payment schedules, are already included. So members simply enter the quantity they own and the portfolio calculator perpetually updates accordingly. For technical analysis, there is a charts section where you can see charts on currency pairs, indices, and commodities, as well as some of the charts that I am currently most interested in watching. You can also look back at a recap of my watch list charts and see the incredible performance. Only one has been a losing trade so far, and I have had many big double-digit winners in only 1 to 2 days each. There is also a trades section where you can see some of my trades, not all of them because there's way too many, but some of the trades I am most confident in. Click on the individual stock and see the date and entry price, as well as the closing price once the trade is closed. I also include IPO, new issue, and subscription receipts that I am interested in as they arise. This is Canada only though, because my brokers do not give me access to high-profile US IPOs, and I'm sure you know how difficult those are to get. However, I do occasionally write blog posts about upcoming IPOs, like to stay away from Snap, as well as economic and investing insights. There is also an educational section where you can learn and test your knowledge about everything from options to tax and trading regulations. Finally, for those interested in the paid membership, you will have access both through the app and online through a Google Drive database for everything from post-earnings performance databases, analyst action databases, BNN Tops Pick databases, stock, index, and commodity performance broken down by daily and monthly analysis, your own personalized options calculator, and your own personalized portfolio calculator, both of which you can edit accordingly to your own portfolio, and then a live chat. With the earnings analysis, here's an example of how Twitter has performed for a few days post-earnings since the IPO, as well as the overall average percentage move. This is done for many large stocks in both Canada and the US, and updated with each new earnings report. For the stock and index analysis, as mentioned, it is done monthly as well as daily, and it breaks down important factors such as monthly performance, or what is the average percentage change after a big up day, big down day, or big up month, big down month, etc. As you can see, there's a lot here, and I think it is of great value to any investor. So please download and try it out. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I wish you all the best in your financial futures, and I hope that I can be of help.